Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are rocking that world champions in all ways, transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys, on this channel, we talk all things mindset. Don't let the title fool you. Ironclad Confidence. We talk all things mindset. We talk all things personal development. And so you're going to hear stuff about confidence building. I'm going to share with you deep insights when it comes to universal laws of attraction, the hidden laws of attraction, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And I'm going to share with you science in quantum physics, which is actually how reality works, baby, and what's going on behind the scenes of our reality, dude. And so, if you want to learn about these things, then stick around, my friends, because today I'd like to share with you above the law of attraction, hidden hypnotic secrets to how reality works. Now check it out, dude. Above the law, right? That's the first thing people are going to hear. But you got to understand something, baby. The law of attraction is above us, okay? It's in the etheric atmosphere of the world. See, when we talk about thoughts, we're talking on laws, dude. We're speaking on universal laws, right? And so these are hidden hypnotic truths, secrets on how reality works. Most people, they don't know that. That's why it's hidden, right? That's why it's a secret, right? Yeah, buddy. And they're freaking powerful when you understand how to harness these tools, right? Because they're above the law, dude. They're above the law of attraction. And what do I mean? I don't mean they're like above the law of attraction. The law of attraction is above us, okay? Those laws are universal laws of language, universal laws of perception, universal laws of behaviors, universal laws of actions, universal laws of beliefs, universal laws of words, universal laws of our habits. Yeah, buddy. And it goes even deeper too, dude, because we got personality traits, we got attitude traits. All these things that we work together with, they're hidden tools and they're hypnotic. And so what does that word even mean, right? Hypnotic, hypnotic secrets exposed, right? What is that? Why is it hypnotic? And here's why, baby. I talk about this all the time. All of us are being hypnotized all the time. 24/7, every single day. Most people, they don't even know that. Most people don't know that. We're all under the influence of hypnotic information. And what that means is that we're all under the influence of information that we're open to agreement with. See, when you're hypnotized, that means you are open to suggestion. You're open to, people can auto-suggest. For instance, I'm suggesting you information on this video, and you could be hypnotically open to receive it and become hypnotized by this powerful universal law of attraction information that I'm sharing with you. And then there's other people who, guess what? They can't be hypnotized, right? They think this stuff is like woo-woo and too metaphysical and too spiritual and too far out there, and they're not paying attention to how their psychology works. So they're going to reject this type of information. You see what I'm saying here, dude? And so when we talk about above the law of attraction, you got to understand, dude, the law of attraction's always above us. And it's always attracting into our life that which we are in harmony with. And so if this hypnotic secret is something that you could tap into, if you want to learn how to, see, you're hypnotizing yourself every day. I'm hypnotizing myself every day. We all are hypnotizing ourselves every single day, and we don't even know it. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so guess what? You want to learn how to deliberately hypnotize yourself, because a lot of people, they'll just ignore it. They don't believe it. They don't believe in this kind of stuff. But guess what? That makes perfect sense, because if they don't believe in it, it doesn't believe in them. Yeah, buddy, that should blow your mind right there, dude. That should blow your mind, because as much as you believe that you can achieve whatever goal that is you set, you usually achieve those goals, right? You usually hypnotize yourself into whatever dimension of energy you agree with, right? This is all of us, dude. Like, before I even started doing this video, guess what? I had to unlock the hidden, hypnotic, secret, universal laws of attraction to actually put myself in front of this camera and share this hypnosis with you. See, most people don't know that, dude. Most people take this stuff and they make it way more complicated than it has to be. And see, what I do is I basically, in front of the camera, using the power of language patterns and communication, I break down what's going on in your reality and how you're using these tools every day. Yeah, buddy, baby. And guess what, baby? These are potent lessons that you can learn from, but I would suggest that you not freak out and try to take everything, oh my gosh, I gotta take everything super serious all of a sudden. Because this is what people do. They freak themselves out for no reason. And that's because the information that I share, it's distilled and concentrated wisdom and knowledge that, you know, it's like a freaking, you know, it's like a what do they call those things? It's a sour pucker or a warhead or something like that, right? It's real sour, right? In other words, it's really strong information, but don't take more on than you can handle. Because what's going to happen is you're going to depress yourself. You're going to get full of fear. You're going to get full of anxiety. You're going to fall into self-pity. You're going to fall into self-denial. You're going to fall into insecurity. Yeah, buddy, baby. Hey, dude, you got to figure it out. But I'm here to tell you right now that these are hidden laws. They're hypnotic for a reason, dude. There's a reason they created a drink called Hypnotic, right? Because once you come under the influence of that drink, guess what, dude? You party like a freaking rock star, baby. Yeah, buddy. Guess what, dude? Our thoughts are the same way, okay? We're under the influence above the law of attraction all the time. And so what are we thinking about? What are we focusing on? What are we talking about? What are we in agreement with? You see what I'm saying here? This powerful stuff, dude, if you actually care about your psychology, if you actually care about how reality works, that's why I do these videos. That's why I demonstrate every day the type of reality that I want to create. Because see, this creates energy, dude. This creates hypnotic energy, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. This is the way it goes, my friends. Most people don't know that. And so guess what I do? I expose all these hidden secrets and I reveal to you the hypnotic truth on how to harness these universal laws of attraction. See, you're attracting into your life all the time information, ideas, thoughts, behaviors, attitudes, perceptions, right? And if you don't learn to ask for help, if you don't learn to dive deeper, if you don't learn to communicate, if you don't learn to use these tools, you understand you're going to live sad and depressed and in fear and in worry and in negativity. This is how a lot of people live, dude. I know, baby, because I was there. And I freaking cracked the code, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. I did. I cracked the code. I figured it out. I got me some freaking insights. Some knowledge, dude. Some information that's going to help me to program, to hypnotize my beliefs. See, you're always hypnotizing yourself. I am too. We always do it. 24/7, it doesn't stop. Here's where it's different. You can intentionally use this hypnotic information, this, air quotes, baby, hidden information, and the reason it's hidden is because most people, they're not thinking about what they've been thinking about. They ain't thinking about a thought. They're just using the thought to act upon, and then they're getting whatever reality comes their way, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And so guess what? The more I learn to, hypnotize myself. See, the reason only certain people can be hypnotized when you go to like an event and you watch somebody get hypnotized is because those people relinquish complete control of their mind. That could be dangerous. Yes, I'm aware of this. Yes, I understand this. But you also have to understand that you're already doing it all the time anyways. It's just that you're not aware. So once you become aware, it's like, oh, it's all dangerous all of a sudden, right? It's always a left side and a right side. It's always a give and a take. You got to find the center ground. You got to find the balance in what I'm sharing with you. But here's the point. Here's the concept. The reason a person can be hypnotized is because they allow the hypnotist to basically help them get into a very suggestible state of information where they can auto-suggest information to that individual, and that because that individual gave up complete needing to control, who they are, guess what? They're able to receive that information, right? That's kind of the same thing when it comes to this type of information. When we talk about confidence building, when we talk about psychology, when we talk about mindset, guess what, baby? I'm sharing with you how to, use these tools, right? But it's up to you as the receiver to actually harness these tools for yourself, right? Yeah, buddy. And guess what, baby? People who are open to suggestion, people who are open to advice, people who are open to receive this type of knowledge, this type of deep insights, then they receive it. They learn the lesson. They apply it into their life. Most people, 98% of people walking on the surface of the earth, they have no clue that this is how reality works. That should blow your mind. Why? Because if 98% of people don't know, and you're watching this and you literally just heard this communication, this information, you're one out of 98% of people who understands something that the masses don't understand. That should freaking blow your mind, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. And so, my friends, above the law of attraction. This is above the law of attraction. This is the law of attraction. This is the hidden, hypnotic secrets exposed. And so, what do you want to do? How do you want to use this information? Are you open to being more happy? Are you open to being more courageous? Are you open to being more positive? It's really up to you. You're the one who controls how you think every day, based upon the thoughts and the information you decide to agree with. Now check it out. I'm also not saying to go overboard and to go crazy and just think, oh my gosh, this is all I got to think about 24/7. This is all I can do. Because that's not what this is about. That's not what I teach. Yeah, buddy, baby. You still got to live life. You still got to make decisions. You're barely learning. This is brand new to you. And so this is why it's powerful. This is why I share this stuff. Because it's going to help you to understand how reality works from above the law of attraction, dude. That means it happens up in outer space, right? You got inner space and outer space. Guess what, baby? We tap into that information in our inner world. We're using thoughts and words all day. Those are universal laws of attraction. They're laws, baby. They're invisible laws that we use to project out our reality, but then at the same time receive our reality from the information feedback that we get. Yeah, buddy, dude. This is some powerful stuff, dude. If you actually understand what's going on. You see, your subconscious mind is your body. It's subconscious. It's below consciousness. It stores all your confidence. It stores all your emotions. It stores all your happiness. It stores all your courage. It stores everything that you've experienced, all your memories from the past. It stores it inside. And then what we do as people is we live our life in a certain energetic state, and then whatever wave of emotions come over us, we experience or relive those hypnotic experiences. Yeah, buddy, dude. This is some powerful stuff. And so we can get stuck in pity. We can get stuck in we're not thinking we're good enough. We can get stuck in inferiority complex. We can get stuck in the comparison trap. We can get stuck in jealousy. We can get stuck in envy. We can get stuck in, oh, who cares about anything, and apathy. You see, those are dangerous waters to get in, dude, when it comes to our thoughts and emotions. Very dangerous, very toxic, very poisonous. Because they'll steal your happiness, they'll steal your confidence, they'll steal your freaking thunder power, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. And and that is above the law of attraction. These are hidden hypnotic secrets that you can use to incorporate in your life. And all you had to do is become aware of it. Most people are not aware of it. So most people don't even know that they're actually using these tools. They don't even know it, but they're using the tools all day. Imagine using a tool that you didn't know you were using, but you were using it, right? Suddenly somebody says, hey, that's not the way to do it. This is the way to do it. And you're like, dude, I've been doing it the hard way the whole time. You'd be like so frustrated that you never learned, right? This is how it is with our thoughts and beliefs. This is how it is with our words and our communication and our emojis, dude. Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the channel, if you guys want to learn more about confidence building, about mindset, about the law of attraction, consider subscribing, baby. Hitting the little bell notification if you want to receive updates when I rock these videos, dude. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you, champions, again next time, baby. Peace. Yeah, buddy. When you decide you've had enough of the way you've been doing it, and you're ready to actually harness the powerful tools of the universe intentionally with awareness, that, my friends, is when you will hypnotize yourself into whatever state of reality you want to experience, dude. Boom.